What if I told you that choosing the wrong credit card in 2026 could cost you hundreds of dollars in rewards, travel perks, and cash back? Millions of Americans are choosing between Capital One and Chase, but most people focus on the wrong things. The truth is, one card issuer might be perfect for your spending habits, while the other could leave money sitting on the table. So before you apply, stay until the end because I'll reveal which type of person should choose Capital One, who should choose Chase, and the biggest mistake beginners make when comparing these cards. Both Capital One and Chase offer some of the most popular credit cards in America, but they're designed for different types of users. Today, we're comparing rewards, approval odds, travel benefits, fees, and overall value so you can make the smartest choice in 2026. Let's get started. First up, rewards. Capital One keeps things simple. Many of their cards offer straightforward cashback rates or flat rate rewards, making them easy to understand for beginners. You don't have to constantly track rotating categories or spending caps. Chase, on the other hand, often provides higher reward potential, but only if you're willing to optimize your spending. For example, Chase cards frequently offer bonus categories like dining, travel, or drugstores that can significantly boost your earnings. So here's the simple breakdown. If you want simplicity, Capital One wins. If you want to maximize rewards and don't mind tracking categories, Chase has the edge. Quick verdict: casual spenders, Capital One. Reward maximizers, Chase. Now let's talk travel. This is where things get interesting. Capital One has invested heavily in travel perks over the last few years. Many travelers love the issuer's growing airport lounge network, travel portal, and flexible rewards redemption options. Meanwhile, Chase continues to be one of the strongest names in travel rewards. Their premium travel cards are known for excellent transfer partners, travel protections, trip interruption coverage, and strong redemption value. If you're an occasional traveler, both can work well. But if travel is a major part of your lifestyle and you're serious about maximizing points, many experts still give Chase a slight advantage. Quick verdict: casual travelers, tie. Frequent travelers, slight edge to Chase. Here's the section that matters most for first-time applicants. Capital One is generally considered more accessible for people with limited credit history. That's one reason many beginners start there. Chase, however, tends to be more selective, especially with some of its most popular rewards cards. If you're just starting your credit journey, Capital One may give you a smoother entry point. But if you already have some established credit history and a solid score, Chase becomes much more attractive. Quick verdict: new to credit, Capital One. Established credit profile, Chase. Nobody likes fees. The good news: both issuers offer strong no annual fee options. However, when you move into premium cards, annual fees increase, but so do the perks. The key question isn't whether a card has a fee. It's whether you're actually using enough benefits to justify paying it. A premium travel card can easily pay for itself if you're traveling frequently. But if you rarely use the perks, even a great card becomes a bad deal. Remember, the best credit card isn't the one with the most benefits. It's the one whose benefits you actually use. So, Capital One or Chase? Choose Capital One if you're new to credit, you prefer simple rewards, you want easy-to-understand cash back, and you don't want to overthink your spending strategy. Choose Chase if you have established credit, you want to maximize rewards, you travel regularly, and you're willing to optimize spending categories. In other words, Capital One is often the better beginner-friendly choice. Chase is often the better long-term rewards powerhouse. Neither is universally better. The right choice depends on how you spend money. Now I want to hear from you. Are you Team Capital One or Team Chase? Drop your choice in the comments below. If this comparison helped you avoid choosing the wrong card in 2026, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips, and I'll see you in the next video.